Hi there, I'm here in Carrollton, Georgia today at the Villages at WestChandler. Mason Tritt is the builder on these properties. I want to share with you the flooring that K&M Floors did inside the units. I'm going to be sharing units 101 and 103, and they are for sale, so if you like what you see, you can reach out. But let's go take a peek inside. Just know it's going to be gorgeous, so come along. Okay, so here we are on the outside of the townhomes. We're going to go into unit 101 first, which is right here on the end. This starts in the basement. It's right off the garage. I came in the back way. This is an LVP, a nice neutral light color LVP, which is super nice. It won't show a lot of dirt. It'll be durable and easy to take care of. Go right on upstairs to the main level. And we have the same LVP up here. Nice open floor plan, kitchen, right here off this little patio, and a little deck. Right here's the hall bathroom. We have a 3x9 subway tile on a brick pattern finish. Nice floor tile, just a square floor tile. Little sink unit. Cute little guest bathroom. Colors complement each other, super nice. They flow really well together. Let's go on into the kitchen. We have the 3x9 subway backsplash in here as well, with white cabinets, silver appliances, cute little lighting. We have the fan for the living room. Then the next level, we have carpet going up the staircasing. It also complements the floor really well. It pulls from some of the grays in the floor. Super nice. Super nice. Upstairs is where the bedrooms are. We have LVP in the hallway, and then carpet in each of the bedrooms. The color on the floor is called Lighthouse. The LVP is called Lighthouse. Here's the master bathroom. We have the subway tile again, surrounding the bathtub, floor to ceiling, LVP in the bathroom, double sinks, brushed nickel on the finishings, and the lights. Then we have the master bedroom. Nice little accent wall. Nice plush carpet here on the floor. And that's it. So these are 3-bedroom units. We have, let's see, it was just 2 bathrooms. Yes. Yep, 2 bathrooms, one up here on the main. Oh no, wait, hold on. Yeah, one upstairs and one downstairs. And then his and her closets. Yeah. Okay, so 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, kitchen, living room, and garage. All right, let's go check out the next unit. Okay, so here we are at unit 103. It also has the LVP. The product is Endura. Color is Lighthouse. And I really like the lightness of the color. Light makes the spaces light and bright. We have light walls. We're gonna go right on into the upstairs. And this one goes right into the kitchen. And we have the Subway white backsplash here in the kitchen with the white cabinets, brushed nickel as the finishings, silver appliances. Opens right up to the living room. This one has the deck on the back side. And then the guest bathroom is right here. Right before you go up the stairs, you have the LVP on the main floor. Nice sink area. And then right here to the upstairs, we have the carpet. Same color carpet, and it complements the floor super nicely. Love the color combos. And this one too is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome. We have the LVP up here on the in the hallway and in the bathroom. And then we have carpet in the bedrooms. We have double sinks with brushed nickel finishings, 3x11 Subway tile from floor to ceiling. The bathtubs, both the bathtub, and then the master. We have an accent wall in here as well, and then his and her closets. All right, that wraps up today's project. Thanks for joining me, and I'll be back in touch soon. Thank you. Have a great day.